Hi, I'm Lester Lombard, a partner in Grieve Lombard. We provide strategic management, tax, and accounting advisory to SMEs. I specialize in supporting owner-managed LTDs with tailored tax strategies. Our AM tax tool delivers real-time insights, saving you time, money, manual hassle. And with our 3 tax plans, Owner Tax Plan Core Plan, Owner Scenario Tax Planning Pro, and AM plus Spouse Booster, we make tax planning smarter and simpler. Let me show you how. Our innovative Owner Manager tax tool widget is designed for business owners like you. Smart, simple, and it's free to use. Just head over to our Owner Manager tax planning page. Input your desired gross or net income and tick the box if you want to include pension contributions. In seconds, you will get personalized real-time results. From there, book your free discovery call so we can explore your goals and identify the best fit solutions. Hi Emmanuel, thanks for joining us. I appreciate you booking this session. Hopefully we can help you with your needs.
Hey Lester, really good to be here today. Thanks for making time, and thanks for, of course, coming up with this amazing tool. I'm really looking forward to getting into it and understanding a bit more about how the functionalities are and how you can help me to get to my goals.
I want to talk about the key challenges I'm currently facing and would really appreciate your assistance in navigating them.
Thank you, Emmanuel, for sharing your challenges. We can definitely assist. Using our 3 tax plans. The OM Tax Planning Core Plan increases your net income without increasing your salary cost to company. The OM Scenario Tax Planning Pro can provide insights into which emission vehicle will make financial sense. And the OM Plus Spouse Booster strategy can help improve the household income. So let's address your challenges. Our OM Tax Planning Core Plan optimizes personal net income, enhances pension contributions, increases tax savings, reduces net cost to company, provides actionable insights for simplifying financial decisions. Our OM Scenario Tax Planning Pro Plan tests up to 3 scenarios at once. See how changes in personal net income, tax structure, and net cost to company impacts your finances. Helps choose the optimal approach for your needs. Our OM Plus Spouse Booster Plan optimizes tax rate bands between spouse to reduce taxes, significantly increases take-home pay, dramatically reduces taxes and net cost to company savings, supercharge personal net income and savings, align both personal and business financial goals seamlessly. Let's get started. We're going to plug in your current gross income of $115,000 to identify what your net cost to company is, and we're going to take that amount and plug that in to work out what the uplift of your net income would be while keeping the net cost to company the same.
I think it's such an effective tool from what I see, because you didn't have to plug in a lot of numbers.
So the outcome are as follows. We've increased your net income by £4,867. We've maintained the same net cost to company salary expense. We've reduced your net taxes by 25.1%. We matched the employee pension contribution like you wanted. And we've provided you with an overview and detailed tax plan for personal and business cash flow planning. We We have 3 potential scenarios to help you understand how different benefits and investments can impact your finances. Scenario 1, you've got a company car valued at 50k with CO2 emissions of 205 grams per kilometer. It's a petrol car. Scenario 2, now let's look at a company car with the same value, but this time it's an electric vehicle. Scenario 3, finally, imagine you receiving an EV benefit, and on top of that, you're making a pension lump sum investment of 40k. What does this combination mean for your overall financial picture? Alright, we're going to lock in the same net income and pension contribution across all scenarios. We're going to drop in the 40k pension lump sum in scenario 3. We're going to lock in the company car at 50k, and then we're going to select the different CO2 emissions per scenario. You will submit the calculations and review the outcomes. A quick overview. Scenario 1, benefit in kind, 205 grams. Scenario 2, EV. Scenario 3, EV plus 40k pension lump sum. Net income locked in across all scenarios. Scenario 1, benefit in kind pushes the gross income above 100k, increasing the net cost to company dramatically. Tax efficiency ratio, scenario 1, 40.2, scenario 2, 21.2, and scenario 3 is the lowest due to the pension lump sum. The outcome of scenario 1 and 2. EV financially is a smarter option as net tax savings is 45.1%, net cost to company savings is 14,518 per year. The outcome in scenario 2 versus 3. Invest in 40k resulting in a net cash flow of 30k due to corporation tax savings of 10k. A 85% tax savings on personal and company taxes, demonstrating the power of pension lump sums. There are 2 main objectives we need to meet: maximizing household income as your wife plans to reduce full-time work to spend more time with your kid, and maintain net cost to company the same as your current tax plan. To optimize the cheapest tax, which is the basic rate band, we are going to combine both your tax bands to help reduce taxes and improve net income. We will first input the net cost to company consolidated amount, and because the gross income is below 100k, we will maximize your gross income at 50,270, then split the remaining amount with your wife. That's into a salary portion and a dividend portion. So here we'll populate the gross income salary portion for your wife, and then the gross income dividend portion, we'll populate that. Pension contributions for both sides. So you can see we met one of the objectives. Net cost to company is exactly the same at £98,201 and 13p. Then the second objective we've also done, we've increased the income to £92,153 and 71p. Total increase for the year is £18,157. Then pension contribution has doubled. Net taxes of surplus of £998 when combining personal and company taxes. The tax efficiency ratio is below the break-even point of a negative 1.1%, highlighting the net tax surplus of £998. To go over the outcomes, net cost to company remains the same. Take-home pay is increased by £18,157. Full pension contribution. Net taxes is a surplus, and the tax efficiency ratio is below the break-even point of 1.1%. Alright, let's simplify those outcomes for you. We have improved your net income by £4,867 per annum without increasing your salary expense to the company. Electric vehicle financially is a smart choice as it's the most tax efficient benefit in kind tax. If your spouse wishes to reduce her working hours to spend time with your kid, we can increase her household income by 18k to cover the shortfall of a loss of income. We will email you the PDF version of each of your tax plans that provides an overview and detailed section, which you then can pass on to your tax advisor, accountant, bookkeeper, or payroll administrator to implement. We also provide after consultation service to support the implementation of your tax plan and fine-tune your tax strategy. So how does that sound all to you?